Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking hardware and accounts. Make sure your PC has the correct optical drive and that you signed into the Microsoft account that owns the disk. Once done, install or open the Xbox app and Windows Store so license checks can complete. You also need updated Windows and GPU drivers. This prevents compatibility errors during install. Make sure Play Anywhere or Xbox Play compatibility features are enabled if the title supports them. Because the store uses those flags to authorize, you insert the Xbox disk and wait for Windows and the Xbox app to recognize it. This triggers the store to link the physical copy to your digital license. Next, open the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and select the game entry that appears. Press Install and choose a drive. While installing, the app may download large digital packages or patches. This is normal because disks often carry launch content, but not the latest updates. Be patient and keep the drive connected until installation completes. You finish by launching the game from the Xbox app. Make sure the disk stays in the drive for the license verification step. If it fails to start, first close the app, clear the Microsoft Store cache using WS Reset, then sign out and back into your account because cached credentials can block activation. If problems persist, inspect the disk for scratches, test another Blu-ray drive, and confirm regional compatibility. Trying a different physical copy rules out a faulty disk and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.